the future, after the last of the human race went extinct, there was a new form of life that arose on Earth. The Azulas were single-celled organisms that evolved after the disappearance of man. As years went by, all of the food the humans left behind had run out, so they elected 5 high kings to lead them to survival. With their power, they ruled everyone to work and nothing else. But one day, an idealist was chased out of the colony for protesting against working. In a deep cave on the outskirts of the hunting territory of the Azulas, he finds a guitar, a human item that wasn't part of their society. Yet this item was more than an item. It was a noise. This noisemaker had shown him that there was more than just working all day. There is happiness. As he plays for the town, they see happiness too and join him on his journey to the priests. As he sets forward to the temple of the high priest, the people of the town hear this noise and see happiness too. When he plays for the priests, they are angered and ordered the item destroyed and him exiled. So the musician leaves with his instrument, gathering the people to make their own colony.